Let's see how models can create a post that can be a subscribe to view post or a pay-per-view post. So the models can actually create post, three types of post. One is going to be the text post, photo post, and a video post. The text post are a free post, and a photo post and the video post can be either unlocked via subscribing to that particular model by users, or it can be a pay-per-view one. So with the toggle on off, it can be created with the description, and the post can be made as a subscribe to view post or a pay-per-view post. So if it's a subscribe to view post, the users must subscribe to this particular model in order to unlock it. And if it's a pay-per-view post, the users need to pay the amount set, the token set by the model here, and then they can unlock it from their profile. So for the photo post and the video post, this way the model can make it pay per view or set that as like subscribe to view option. So thank you.